Alright, this is crazy. The car show just started and this place is packed. I'm gonna do an aerial shot of it, but it is packed. Like me and Eric came here last year and it wasn't even nearly as packed. But this time it is packed. They got a lot of great cars. We're gonna go around and take a look at them. They are gonna be playing some copyright music, so might roll into a montage at some point. Alright, it's not even 1 o'clock yet. And this show is already getting crowded. And there's a lot of BMWs and C8s. Ooh, that is a sexy Lamborghini Revolver. Man, look at all these people. That's a nice spec. I like it. It's green. That is sick. Lamborghini Revolver. A lot of BMWs. Okay, the rest of them's a BMW parking lot. But that Lamborghini Revolver is thick. Reminds me of the Hamilton collections. Would it be a matte black, where Steve's is yellow? The giallo, but that one's green. Look at that 01. That is sick. That is really sick. Look, he got emotional. He's obsessed with himself. It is nice, real nice. Sexy NSS. Technica? That is sick. The Huracan Technica. That is nice. That got purple color too. Somebody just got their driver's license. That is a pretty color too. Nice. Ooh. Look at that Bentley spur. That thing is nice. Oh, that's a nice Porsche. This is clean. Real nice. You are never going to go wrong with a Silvia S15. If I get one, I'm just going to have to put a body kit on it. Dude, it's sick though. Ooh. Ferrari. That wrap on that BMW is badass. Look at that. That's pretty sick. I like it. Sexy GR. This Supra right here. Come on, you got to get out like Dominic Toretto now. Dude, that's a sick livery. I like that, especially on the Supra.
Super, yeah.
Yeah, that is sick.
Thank you. That's okay.
It's not a RX-7. It's a Supra. That's just sick.
And the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?
Finally made it inside. Now they do a GT Exhaust. They mainly specialize in custom exhaust, custom builds. These are pretty sick. Different tips, different styles, carbon fiber. These are nasty. Now look at the cars they got in here. R35. Love it. Masonry. This is a Lamborghini Urus. Look at all that carbon, all that forged carbon. That is sick. Look at this, all forged carbon. They use masonry wheels with the slotted inserts. This is nasty. I like that. Of course I told you this. But look at that, all full carbon. Let's get up there and take a look. Look at that. That is sick. I didn't see this when I was in here earlier, but that is nasty. Still, my dream car, the R35. But you got the sexy R34 over here, the white one with the forged carbon. Hood, fenders, and bumper. This is pretty sick. Please, if you own this, please wrap this. Every time I see it, it gets on my nerves. I don't know why. But it does look sick with the forged carbon. Then you got the sexy Bayside Blue R34. This is nasty. They gotta get the windows open. They actually did more work to this one. I like the hood. That hood is sick. Now let's take a look on the inside. Look at that, all carbon fiber. Yeah, they put a lot of work into this one. This is sick. Sexy GTR. Supra. AMG. No, I am jealous. I want to drive. I want to drive. What'd you guys get for lunch? Domino's.
A little neighborhood joint called Domino's. Domino's?
Look at the GTR, man. This is sick. That spoiler is nasty. Another NSX. It's that Dominic Toretto RX-7.
I was so pissed. I literally fucking lit his ass on fire. I was so mad.
That is nice. Yeah. I told him when he pulled up, he needed to get out like Dom, carry his jacket, put it on, just walk.
True. Yeah.
Dude, they're all lining up back there too.
Check them out.
No wonder why they kicked me out. I do look like basic traffic. Your Ram ain't shit.
They said, all right, man. Is that an H2?
Yeah, it's an H2.
Yo, crazy, man. Did y'all hear that? I heard that H2. Yeah, everyone.
Ooh.
Got a mile mark.
I seen him earlier at the other car beat. That thing is nice. Wow, when do you need extra stopping power? That is nasty. Another GTR. A Venador.
Venti.
Yeah.
Man, I got to do it.
Wow.
Yeah. With the red interior?
Ooh. That is nice.
Alright, bro. I'll see you, man.
I like that interior. That is pretty good. Oh, kind of Kendrick Lamar. All I wanted was a black Grand National. Yep, this is nice.
Color on this. I don't know what's the name of this blue.
I'm not too sure.
It's almost like a Smurf kind of. But I like it. It's
Yeah,
nice and bright.
that is nice. Yeah, this is when you got to take the family out grocery shopping.
Right. The back seat. They're reasonably priced.
Oh, they are.
I can do that.
That's when you got to go grocery shopping with the family.
Yeah.
Shut everybody's shit down.
Come on, man.
Yep. Look, they got a Murcielago. Is it gated?
710.
Nope. I love the gated Mercy. Target top.
That was the guy who worked at the car wash I usually go to.
Oh, okay.
I guess. These are funny cars, man.
Oh, yeah.
It reminds me of a...
Yeah. Yeah, it's a Mini Cooper. This one's funny. Man, this is a big turnout. That's really good. Oh, yeah. They're starting to go. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, you trying to get somewhere.
Yeah, with the, I don't even know what that is.
That's a cooling fan. It's a